Do you possess ambitious aspirations that you yearn to accomplish, aspirations that seem distant and unattainable? What if I were to inform you that a clandestine methodology, rooted in the teachings of Neville Goddard, exists to aid you in manifesting your deepest desires within a mere week or less? In this presentation, I shall divulge this technique, enabling you to effortlessly materialize your grandest objectives. Greetings and welcome to this novel production. Within its contents, we shall delve into a potent technique for manifesting desires, drawing inspiration from the teachings of Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard, a luminary mystic and prolific writer of the previous century, has wrought revolutionary transformations in the lives of countless individuals. He proposed numerous techniques to manifest desires by harnessing the power of thoughts. However, the technique I shall now unveil remains a well-kept secret among the majority. Let us commence. The technique itself is both facile and enjoyable, built upon the fundamental principle of the law of assumption. Neville Goddard posited that if a concept can be firmly held within one's mind, it can be grasped in reality. Every ideal thought that enters your consciousness is within the realm of possibility. Moreover, if you can conceive it as your own, it shall inevitably become so. This tenet, known as the law of assumption, serves as the bedrock of the technique I am about to impart. The purpose of this video is to elucidate how this technique can be effortlessly employed to manifest your desires in a week or less. If you are prepared to embark on this journey, let us immerse ourselves in the process. However, before we commence, allow me to introduce the latest release from Soothing Megamind, the High Vibrations album. It features meticulously curated tracks designed to tranquilize the mind, facilitate meditation, manifestation, and restful sleep. To access this remarkable new music playlist with a single click, simply follow the link provided in the description below. Section 1. Grasping the Law of Assumption. To comprehend this technique fully, we must first grasp the underlying principles of the law of assumption. This law maintains that any ideal or thought conceived in your mind holds the potential to manifest in reality if you can envision it as yours. Neville Goddard believed that our thoughts shape our reality, and that we possess the power to manifest our desires through our thoughts. The law of assumption serves as the key to unlocking this potential. What does this signify for you? It signifies that if you can firmly hold your desire in your mind, as if it has already materialized, it shall inevitably become your reality. The law of assumption decrees that if you can envision it as true, it shall be so. Section 2. The technique. Having comprehended the law of assumption, let us now delve into the technique itself. This technique has been designed to expedite the manifestation of your desires within a week or less, drawing upon the principles of the law of assumption. Step 1. Define your desire. The initial step in manifesting your desires necessitates clearly and specifically defining them. This step is of paramount importance, for it establishes the foundation for the entire manifestation process. Many individuals struggle with this stage, unsure of their true desires or fearful of expressing them. However, to manifest your desires, you must first identify and articulate them. Take ample time to contemplate what you genuinely yearn for in life. Is it a luxurious vehicle, a gratifying vocation, a loving partnership, or financial abundance? Once you have discerned your desire, commit it to writing in unambiguous and concise terms. Be meticulous in delineating the make, model, appearance, and year of the vehicle you covet, or the job title, salary range, and geographic location of your ideal career. Specificity is vital, as vividly imagining your desire facilitates its manifestation in your reality. Remember, your thoughts and beliefs mold your reality, hence ensuring their alignment with your desires is crucial. For instance, suppose your desire is to cultivate a loving and committed relationship. To define this desire, you might articulate something akin to the following. I aspire to experience a profound and enduring relationship with an individual who esteems and supports me, sharing my values and interests. Together, we forge a deep emotional and physical connection, growing in love and bliss. By formulating your desire in this manner, you establish a lucid intention and foster a positive expectancy regarding its materialization in your life. Step 2. Envision your desire. The second step in manifesting your desires involves visualizing them as already achieved. This entails projecting your desire within the theater of your mind, conjuring the associated emotions. To accomplish this, you must cultivate a relaxed and meditative state. Visualization techniques or meditation can assist in attaining this frame of mind. Once you have achieved a state of calm, visualize yourself experiencing your desire as if it has already materialized. If your desire pertains to a new vehicle, envision yourself behind the wheel, feeling the supple leather seats beneath you, reveling in the engine's harmonious hum, and inhaling the redolence of novelty. Immerse yourself in the feelings of elation and contentment that accompany the possession of your dream car. If your desire revolves around a fulfilling career, picture yourself in your ideal occupation, encircled by supportive colleagues, immersed in work that ignites your passion. Visualize yourself attaining your goals, receiving accolades for your achievements, and basking in a sense of purpose and fulfillment. The more vividly you can conjure these images, the more tangibly real they shall feel, thus facilitating their manifestation. As an illustration, suppose your desire is to experience financial abundance. To envision this desire, you may immerse yourself in a mental panorama of opulence and affluence, picturing yourself residing in an exquisite abode, surrounded by luxury. Envision the freedom to travel, pursue your passions, and contribute to your community. Embrace a profound sense of serenity and security, assured that you possess abundant resources to lead a joyous and fulfilling life. By envisioning your desire in this manner, you activate the potency of your imagination and emotions, fostering a profound attraction toward your desire. Step 3. Embrace unwavering faith in your desire. The third step in manifesting your desires necessitates unwavering belief, an unshakable faith in their realization. You must firmly believe that your desire has already been achieved, that it is already yours, and that its manifestation in your reality is merely a matter of time. This may prove challenging, as our minds are inclined to believe in that which we can perceive, rather than that which we can imagine. To cultivate belief in your desire, you must nurture unwavering faith and trust in the power of the law of assumption. Trust that the universe conspires in your favor, orchestrating circumstances to bring your desire to fruition. Foster self-confidence, assured in your ability to shape the reality you seek. One method to fortify your belief is to create affirmations that reinforce your unwavering faith in your desire. Affirmations are positive statements designed to reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with your desires. They can be written or spoken aloud, and should be repeated daily. For instance, if your desire revolves around a fulfilling career, you may recite an affirmation akin to, "I am triumphant and content in my ideal vocation. My talents and contributions are acknowledged and appreciated. I ardently adore my work and am grateful for the abundance it bestows upon me." By routinely reciting such affirmations, you train your mind to embrace your desire and harmonize with it on a subconscious level. Step 4. Embark on inspired action. The fourth and final step in manifesting your desires entails embarking on inspired action to propel you towards their realization. This implies taking action that feels organic, joyous, and aligned with your desire. It is imperative to note that this does not entail forcefully acting or attempting to control outcomes. Instead, it entails undertaking actions that resonate positively and propel you closer to your desired outcome. Embracing inspired action also entails being receptive to guidance and opportunities bestowed by the universe. These may manifest as fortuitous circumstances, synchronicities, or signs that affirm you are on the correct trajectory. For example, if your desire involves cultivating a loving and committed relationship, inspired action may entail joining a dating platform, attending social gatherings, or working on enhancing your communication and self-awareness. Alternatively, it could be as straightforward as enrolling in a yoga class or volunteering at a local charitable organization, which might facilitate encounters with like-minded individuals, expanding your social circle. By pursuing inspired action in alignment with your desire, you demonstrate your commitment and readiness to receive it. You also attune yourself to the vibrational frequency of your desire, thereby opening yourself to opportunities and guidance that will facilitate its realization in your reality. In conclusion, manifesting your desires entails a potent process that necessitates clarity, imagination, belief, and action. By defining your desires, envisioning their attainment, nurturing unwavering faith, and embarking on inspired action, you possess the capacity to shape the reality you yearn for. Remember to trust in the process, cultivate patience, and remain receptive to the guidance and opportunities that will pave the path to your desires' materialization. If you found this resource beneficial, kindly express your appreciation by liking and sharing it with friends who may also find value in its contents. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos on manifestation and personal growth. We eagerly await your questions and suggestions for forthcoming videos. Please share them in the comments section below, as we greatly value your feedback. Thank you for watching, and until next time, may your manifestations thrive.